Welcome to a video of Win-Win Math. Today we'll be dividing polynomial division with area model. In today's example, we have 4x to the fourth plus 6x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 6 all divided by 2x squared minus 3x plus 7. Let's get started. We'll start off with a area model where we'll have the denominator 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 as our side of a rectangle. So we'll have 2x squared minus 3x plus 7. This tells us that we're going to have an area with 3 rows in it. So we'll draw a box with 3 rows. We're not too sure how many columns we'll have as yet, but we'll work it as we go. Here we see that we have 4x to the fourth. We'll start that off by putting on the left side of the top row. So we have a 4x to the fourth. Now we'll decide. Since 2x squared is the side of this rectangle and the area of it is 4x to the fourth, we need to decide what should be in it. So 2x squared times what give you 4x to the fourth? That happens to be 2x squared. And now we'll complete this area model as if we're just multiplying the sides of a rectangle. 2x squared times 2x squared gives us our 4x to the fourth. Negative 3x times 2x squared gives us negative 6x cubed. And 2x squared times 7 gives us 14x squared. Now that we completed this, let's section it off. So now in our area, we have a 4x to the fourth. Now we have to tackle our next term, which happens to be positive 6x cubed. We're given already a negative 6x cubed, so we got to find two things, negative 6x cubed plus something, the two things, that will add up to 6x cubed. This happens to be 12x squared. Sorry, 12x cubed, I mean. So now if we were to add these two, negative 6x cubed plus 12x cubed, they should give us positive 6x cubed. Now we're going to repeat the same process as what we did with the first column. 2x squared times what? Give us 12x to the cube. That happens to be a positive 6x. We'll fill up the area inside. Negative 3x times 6x give us negative 18x. And 7 times 6x give us positive 42x. Now that we complete it, we'll section that off. And now we're done with the 6x cubed. Next, we'll have the negative 2x squared. Seems like I forgot the square right here. So for the negative 2x squared, we have a 14x squared. We have a negative 18x squared. And we need to find what should this area be so that when 14x squared minus 18x squared plus something give us negative 2x squared. After some thinking, this will give us 2x squared. So we have a positive 2x squared here. And now we'll complete the area. Find the side lengths. That will give 2x squared times something, give us 2x squared, which happens to be positive 1. So we'll see 14x squared minus 18x squared plus 2x squared give us negative 2x squared. And now we'll multiply the two sides to get our area. So negative 3x times 1 give us negative 3x. And 7 times 1 give us positive 7. Now that we complete this, we'll section it off. And now we look at the next part. We have a positive 5x. We see we have a positive 42x and a negative 3x. So how much x do we need? We will need negative 34x. We'll make the box a little bigger. Okay. And then since this 2x squared doesn't go into negative 4x, we are essentially done with this section. So now let's move on to the last term. Which will be this negative 6. So we already have a 7. 7 plus what give you negative 6? Turns out negative 13. Okay. This last column will be known as our remainder column. And so if we divide 4x to the fourth plus 6x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 6 all over 2x squared minus 3x plus 7, it will give us our resultant answer of 2x squared plus 7x, 6x I mean, plus 1 plus our remainder. In our remainder, you'll notice that we'll need a negative 34x and we need a negative 13. And since that's our remainder, we'll divide that over the 2x squared minus 3x plus 7. And there we have our polynomial division with area model. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye-bye.